Welcome to our channel ASZION Interiors. Thinking of upgrading your bedroom or closet? Before you renovate, watch this. These wardrobe designs are changing how we think about storage and style. All the wardrobes which are shown in this video will also be customized according to your requirements. Let's start with ultra modern designs. Clean lines, handless finishes, and seamless built ins, perfect for minimalistic homes. Navy blues, matte blacks, and soft grays give your room a luxury hotel vibe. These wardrobes aren't just beautiful, they are functional. Sliding doors, hidden drawers, and lighting that automatically turns on, all designed to make your morning smoother. Smart storage can change your routine and your room. Color is back in style. Think baby pinks, soft beaches, and two-tone combinations. Paired with textures like wood grain or velvet mate, the result is effortlessly chic. Whether you have a walk-in closet or a compact bedroom, there's a design here for you. Built-ins, corner wardrobes, mirror panels, and more, designed to fit your space, your style. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home inspiration. Until next time, happy designing.